This is an awesome one-part epoxy that a professional carpet installer recommended to me for gluing down tack strips to concrete. And it's awesome. So it's the only epoxy of this type that I've tried, but I'm really happy with it as just a DIY homeowner who does tile, and this is a new tile project. I'm gluing down a Schluter strip here. This is not the first time I've used it. I used it for a couple of tack strips and another tiling job I did where I did Schluter strips like this, and it was great. And the carpet installer that told me about it installed really stiff carpet in my office over concrete, and it hasn't been pulling up or anything like that because he glued the tack strips down with this rather than using nails, which tears up your concrete. So I think it's great. It's a little bit hard to find even online, so if I can find it again, I'll put a link in the video description. But a couple things about it. If you try to pump it through this nozzle that comes with it, you're going to kill your forearms because it's so viscous. So what I end up doing now is unscrewing the whole nozzle and just pumping it through the 1/4-inch opening directly onto the concrete and then spreading it with like a rubber glove, like a disposable glove. So that's the easiest way to use it that I've found. And it is an epoxy, so once it starts getting on you, it just gets on everything. So be really careful with it. I've started using painter's tape just to control keeping it off of things that I suspect I'll get it onto later. But if you're looking for some awesome one-part epoxy, I would definitely try this stuff.